Thank you for choosing the Dannmar DT-50A tire changer. In this video, we will show you the proper method of unboxing and setting up your new tire changer. The first step is to remove the back panel of the crate. Using a pry bar or flathead screwdriver, bend the metal tabs to a straight position. Once all tabs on the panel have been straightened, the panel can be removed. Next, straighten the tabs on the bottom section for the remaining 3 panels. Once done, the crate can be lifted, then tilted down and away from the tire changer assembly. At this point, you can remove the plastic wrap from around the machine. The fourth step is to remove the bolt securing the tire changer to the pallet. Now, with the crate removed and machine unbolted, you can take the tire changer off of the pallet. Using tie straps and a forklift, shop crane, or other lifting device, raise the tire changer just enough to allow the pallet to be moved out of the way. Once cleared, the machine can be positioned and set down. You may now remove any remaining packing material from the unit as well as clean off packing grease from the turntable, mount, demount head, and bead breaker assembly. Next, connect the DT-50A to an appropriate power source. A plug should only be installed by a licensed, certified electrician. Please refer to the manual for details. The next step is connecting the tire changer to an air source. You'll need to install a quick connect air fitting to the air regulator and filter assembly located at the back of the machine. With the fitting of your choice installed, you may go ahead and connect the tire changer to an air supply. With all components hooked up, test the air and electrical systems by using the pedal controls, ensuring the turntable is rotating and the clamps function normally. Lastly, for your convenience, you'll find a bag of spare parts under the accessory tray. Other parts and accessories can be ordered through our website, www.dannmar.com. Congratulations! You're now ready to use your new tire changer. Refer to your owner's manual for complete operating instructions. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for the latest setup, how-to, and new product release videos.